New at 5, it's the 3rd of the month, time for Buddy Check 3. This is our reminder to you to follow the guidelines for self-exams. It's an effort to catch breast cancer in the earliest, most treatable stage. Lisa Rose shows us the new help available for breast cancer survivors who battle lymphedema.
Buddy Check 3 is a partnership, of course, between KY3, the Breast Cancer Foundation of the Ozarks, and Mercy and Cox hospitals. Those organizations work continually to care for people with breast cancer, and so do local families. Recently, 2 sisters honored their mom with a donation to BCFO to help other very specific needs among some breast cancer patients in the Ozarks.
I love this photo because she just is, worshiping and just, even in the midst of chemo.
Brianna Hughes says her mom was a warrior.
It was her 3rd treatment, her 3rd round.
Connie Cunningham was diagnosed 3 times with breast cancer over the course of 10 years. But with the help of both her daughters, she beat it twice. And she became well aware of the challenges that can come with having lymph nodes removed along with breast tissue.
When she started having issues with the lymphedema, insurance and stuff it was really difficult to get them to, cover expenses.
Specifically, the expenses for compression garments that help manage lymphedema.
Medicare and Medicaid typically will not cover. They will deny it.
Many private insurance companies deny the garments too.
Typically, we'll start at your wrist bone and you will pull it all the way up to your arm.
Even though a sleeve or a glove like these are critical to a patient's mobility and pain management.
Once you have lymphedema, it's not something that's going to go away. It may kind of come and go throughout your lifetime, but it's there. So wearing that garment daily, time you get up till the time you go to bed, is what we tell patients. Some patients even have nighttime garments that they wear, but that's going to be the first line of defense to help keep it from getting worse.
Because the compression garments are so important, Taryn, a certified lymphedema therapist at Mercy Hospital, routinely refers patients like Shelley Davis to the Breast Cancer Foundation of the Ozarks when they can't get what they need from insurance companies.
For me, it's around my back and works in conjunction with the one on the sleeve and the one on my hand.
And Shelley really needed a particular compression garment to treat the lymphedema in her back.
This goes all the way around, nice and tight. It does that job to move that fluid that we're talking about, to compress and move that fluid from the back of my shoulder blade.
BCFO came through for her and for many other lymphedema patients, just like BCFO helped Brianna's mom with her compression garments. That's why Bree and her sister Hannah Hughes have made a substantial donation to BCFO, specifically to supply more of the compression garments to patients in the Ozarks.
She would be very touched, and just to know that her story and everything that she went through could help other people. She was always helping everybody. She was the kind of person that would give you the shirt off her back just to make someone else happy, and so I know that this is exactly what she would want.
Sadly, Brianna and her sister Hannah lost their mom this past year to a 3rd round of breast cancer. But Connie Cunningham's legacy of helping people will continue through her daughters and BCFO. As always, don't forget to sign up for Buddy Check 3 right here at KY3.com.